Oh, look at that. There's a cabin. Oh, how do I get down there? I've never been so glad to see shelter. Oh my goodness. How do you get inside? Oh, I'm so cold. Oh, I am so cold. So cold. I had to use my teeth to undo the buckles on my backpack. I need to get dry immediately. This is a mountaineering cabin. It's a shelter from the storms for people exploring the mountains here in Alaska. It was built by volunteers from the Mountaineering Club of Alaska. I think I'm gonna bust out my sleeping bag and get it set up in the loft, hop inside for a little bit. Oh. I've got these adhesive body warmers. Gonna use these. Oh. Oh man, I didn't think I was that cold, but I gotta get in here. I'm just freezing. Alright, got some stretchy pants on, got these down booties. They're wonderful. I feel like I'm starting to not die. I'm wearing every bit of dry clothing that I have, and I've got 2 water bottles in here, and I'm snuggled up in my sleeping bag. I'm super hungry and I want to cook some dinner, but I'm just gonna sit in this bag until I feel warm. Once my body feels nice and warm, then I'll go make dinner.